Are you tired of swiping already? This app is about sharing your values and interest with those that vibe and click with you. Mutcho is a new generation of online matching. And not like those other matching apps. We're kicking off a modern matching app with only one thing in mind: building meaningful connections. Mutcho takes a playful concept where you can just be your anonymous self. You'll find rounds of users just like you. Besides dating, Mutcho is the place where you could find someone that shares your favorite interests and just talk about what you like. Sound interesting? Let's take a look at what the app actually looks like. To register, you can use your email or go for a social login. Next, you're asked to verify your account with your mobile number. With the onboarding process, there's only 4 things required from you: your nickname that's only visible to your future matches, your birthday so we know your age and zodiac sign, your gender, and the last thing we need is at least one profile pic, which won't get shown to anyone by default. There's some optional questions about what food you like, your smoking habits, or if you have any kids. Now that you're conforming with the community guidelines, you're going to see the feed where listings of other users are at. Each of the cards you see is a listing of another user. On the left-hand side, you see the user's age and gender. That's seen by the color of the countdown ring around the blurry profile picture. The headline gives you some info on the listing, and the text below shows the first question in there. So before you dive into the listings, you can set some filters here, like filtering for dating online, setting your age range. You can get really specific. Going back to the main view, you'll see all those listings you filtered out. Does this second listing catch your eye? Just tap the card to see more info on the person and to quiz your way to a match. Eager to create your own listing? Here's how. Click the plus button and pick the category and gender you're into. If you're after a shared activity, you'll be asked to give more details. You can set the filters that are important to you in the next step. And for the last step, you define your very first round. There's 3 round types to pick from: a question with predefined answers, a question on a scale from 0 to 10, and an open-ended question. In the end, it's all up to you on how you answer. When you define the answer options, you can mark which ones pass the round and set the round's time. And boom, your first listing is live. Now you can create extra rounds, chat with those who pass your round, just take it from there. There's 3 ways to finish your listing. Either the natural way by playing rounds until there's only 4 users left, or by having Mutcho give you 4 random users who are still in. You can also have a round with an open question. Then, after this round, you can select your favorite 4 answers shown here. Finally, you'll see the profile pics of the remaining users. The choice is all yours. Select your winner and chat away. This might sound a little overwhelming at first, but you quickly see how easy and fun it is. Visit mutcho.app for more details.